Qodeo is exciting because we can save our users significant transaction costs and time in cutting through how to do business in the venture capital arena. This morning we hosted the Qodeo Business Briefing Breakfast. One of the panelists was Hussein Kanji.
I'm an early stage tech investor. I am the founding partner of a firm called Hoxton Ventures, which is a new $40 million fund in London. In a good quarter, we probably see about 700 deals. In an average quarter, we're probably seeing about 500 deals. We're only looking for businesses that we think have the potential to become very large businesses. Most of our companies fall into one of two buckets. They're either sitting on brand new market categories, and then the other half of our businesses are businesses that are in very clear established industries, but there's something that's changed that allows them to build up and disrupt the existing players. Culturally, if you look back in the 80s and the 90s, and you compared American businesses and UK businesses, I think the criticism in the venture community was that the UK businesses were not as ambitious. And I think if you look at the current crop of UK entrepreneurs, they're not that different from American entrepreneurs. I think the challenge here is how do you build a really big company? I don't think you could have built Uber from London. I think you could have done it technically. I think the founder could have come from London instead of San Francisco. I don't think you would have raised the war chest that Uber required to build that business out of London. Really big technology companies are going to be maybe not born, but definitely grown in California. They need the ecosystem of people around them. They need the partners. They need the talent pool. In terms of sectors or interesting spaces, I can say there's a lot of stuff happening in big data. There's a lot of stuff happening in consumer health. There's a lot of stuff happening in security, but these are very broad topics. Really, it's the experts in the industry that know why such and such is going to be enabled and what's going to come around the corner. And our job is to be the dumbest person around the room, but probably the most active listener in the room to figure out how to spot that. And we don't want to be the smart guys we're not futurists, right? We're investors.